Hello guys, I hope you are doing really well. Today we're gonna do the Adobe Photoshop Express full tutorial on my tablet, and the tablet that I'm using is Samsung Galaxy Tab S6 Lite. So when you open the app, you will see all the photos available on your device. As you guys can see over here, on the top right corner you see these three dots. If I click them, you see the option of make collage and delete images option. The next option is about sharing, so if you want to share the image you can share it. Then on the top left corner you will see this menu. The menu is for your account settings. So if you are unable to find photos here, you can use this option over here. It says all photos, so when you click it, it will take you all the options available in your device where you can find your photos. So first of all, we have to tap on the image that we want to edit. For example, I want to edit this image. Then I will open it, and then you can see over here you can zoom in or zoom out. When you open the image, you have the undo option, redo option, then you have auto correct option, and then you have button to view the original image. So when you click this button, it will show you the original image, and then when you click it again, it will show you the edited version of the image. And when you click this next button, it will take you to a different menu. So here if you click on these three dots, it gives you the option of JPEG quality. So if you want to change the quality, for example you want to make it maximum, very high, medium, low, whatever quality you want, you can select it. And then the second option is image resize. So when you click the image resize, it gives you the option of pixels. So you can see over here there are different options available to you. And then very important thing, if you want to add the watermark, so this is the third option. So once you click on this one, you can see over here it is giving you the different options. So you can select this text from here, and then you can write your name or whatever you want. For example, you want to just write here water, okay, mark, okay, so I just write it, okay, and then I press done. You can see over here it is showing you over here. And then if you want to add the image, you can also add image from your device. Okay, so this is how you guys can set the watermark. Okay, you can also select these watermarks option as well. So if you want to save your image, it is giving you the option here to save image to gallery. You can send it to WhatsApp or other sharing options available as well in your device. Other thing you can do is you can send it to Creative Cloud, Lightroom or library, and then more options available. You can set it as a wallpaper, you can print it, and the others, there are more option over here. So let's go back and start editing the image. The very first option over here is about looks, and it is divided into 9 options. You can see a normal, free, charm. So basically it is like a filter. For example, I select this one, you can see over here. So basically it works as a filter in other apps. So there are about 100 looks option available, which is really amazing. For example, I select this one. It's like a black and white, or like this one. The second tool is the light tool. So once you click over here, it will take you to the light tools. So it is also categorized into 7 different options. So you can see over here there is a grenade, there is a raindrops, then there is a paper. So basically this is a light tool. So once you click on it, it will give light in the photo. So you can change it so whatever you want. And you can also use this option. I will show you. This is the opacity option. So you can see over here you can also reduce it, or you can increase it according to your need. So this is really cool. So you can choose different lights options. So for example, this is light leak, I can use it. So you can see over here. Okay, so there are different options that you can use. The next tool is the crop tool. So once you click it, so it will show you 3 different options over here. The app already has some built-in aspect ratio. So you can see over here it is giving you different option like a Facebook ad. Okay, this is the Facebook event cover. There are a lot of options. This is the event Twitter header, and then this is the YouTube thumbnail. Okay, so there are different built-in aspect ratios available. So you can see over here so it's up to you, whichever aspect you want. Okay, the next option here is rotate option. So once you click on the rotate, so you can rotate your photo. Okay, you can rotate it to 360, and then there is a flip horizontal option. So you can see over here, you can flip it horizontally. Okay, and then there is a flip vertical option. So this is really cool. And then you can also flip it like this. You can see over here, so I'm using this line over here, and then if I increase it, it will change the photo horizontally. So you can see over here, so you can change it according to your need. The third option over here is the transform option. So in the transform option, you have full auto option, then you have balanced auto option, then we have a skew option. You can vertically skew it. So you can see over here, you can skew it like this. Okay, and then we have a horizontal skew option, so you can skew it horizontally. The next tool is correction tool. So in correction tool, there are 4 different options. So you can see I select the corrections option. So in the correction option, there are 17 different type of options available to you. So for example, like this one, you can select the exposure option, you can select the fade option. So it's up to you. So you can see over here, this is the fade option, this is the exposure option. So you can also do it like this. Okay, the second option here is the split tone. So you can add any color to the photo. For example, I select a color like this one. So you can see over here, it is changing the color of the photo. Okay, and then we have the blur option. So once you go into the blur option, you can select any area in the photo that you want to blur. For example, I want to select this area, and then I can blur it like this. So you can see over here. Okay, so I can select the blur option as well. Okay, and if you want to, you can do it as well. So you can see, so there are different options that you can utilize. The last option here is a vignette option. So you can see over here, there are 4 different options available: midpoint, feather, and then a roundness option as well. So basically this is for putting the shadows in the photo. The next option over here is blemish removal option. So basically it is used to remove the blemish from the skin. So you have to select any area in the photo. For example, I select this area. Okay, and then it will remove it. So you can see over here, so this is very cool feature that you guys can use. The next feature is the red eye option. We are not going to use this. So for example, if there is a red eye, so you can correct it, and also there is a pet eye option in this one as well. The next option is very cool. It is about adding the text in the photo. So there are different text available. So for example, like this one. Okay, so like this one. Okay, so there are different options available over here. You can select it, and then you can also edit the text. So you can also see the font option over here. So you have to select it, and then it gives you the font option. So for example, I want to select this font, so you can do it. Then we have the color option. So you can select the color. For example, I select this color, and then there is a alignment option. You can make it left, center, or right. So it's up to you. So guys, if you want to change the text, you can change it. Just tap on it, and on the top left corner, just click over here, and then it is showing you the text editing option. For example, I want to write here cool app. Okay, so I just wrote it cool app, and then I press done, and then you can see it changes the text. You can also increase the size, okay, from here. So you can see over here, you can also change the location of this text. Okay, the next option is sticker option. So there are a lot of sticker option. Totally it is divided into 8 different categories. So you can see over here, love, flowers, decorate, and etc. There are different options available. So for example, sticker, I will show you. For example, you can put a sticker like that. So this is really cool. You can change the size, you can rotate it. Okay, so you can see over here, and then you can change its position as well. So there are different stickers option available. The last tool is a border tool. So once you select it, it give you different border option. It is divided into 3 different categories. So this is basic, edges and frames. So you can select any frame. For example, you can select this one. So basically it gives the border to the photo. The next tool that I want to show you is the collage tool. So you have to go back from here. It will ask you if you want to save the image. So I save this image. Okay, and then the collage option is over here. You see these 3 dots. So basically you select this make collage, and then you can select any 4 or 2 or 3 different images. For example, I select this image. Okay, then I select this image. Okay, and then I select, so I select about let's say I select 4 images. Yeah, so now I select 4 images. Then from here I go next. Okay, and then it will create a collage for me, and I will show you how does it work. So you can see over here, so there are 4 different photos, and make a collage, and then it give you different options in the downside. So for example, like this one, you can make it, so there are different styles available basically. So you can see over here, you can make it like this, and then you can also align the photo according to your needs. So like this one. Okay, so you can change the photo as well. And then if you want to edit, there is also editing option. So you have to just select this pen over here. Okay, it gives you the option of edit photo. So you select the edit photo option, and then it will take you again to same tools that I show you, like the light option. Okay, and then the crop option. Okay, and then here we have the corrections option, and then this one is the looks option. So you can see over here, you can change the looks as well. So guys, this is for today's video, and I hope you like the video. I hope you enjoy the video, and please do subscribe to my channel, guys. Thank you very much.